What if you are not too old? Just standing at the wrong moment? Have you ever felt like your life looks like the same, but something inside you has changed? Not wrong, just not right anymore. And then comes the question, is it too late for me? Let me tell you something most people don't realize. Starting over doesn't always look bold. Sometimes it looks like a small moment. Like my mum, she used to carry tea upstairs every morning until one day she left it at the bottom of the stairs. It looked small, but it wasn't. It was life asking her to adjust. And we all get those moments. Not when we feel ready, but when something inside us whispers, this can't be it. Here is the truth. You don't need confidence to begin. You need courage to take one small step. But confidence, that comes after you move. And starting over is not about becoming someone new. It's about finally becoming who you were meant to be. So if you are standing at the edge right now, don't wait, just begin.